Picture this. You're out camping, the sun is setting, you've got this beautiful steak ready to go, and your cheap, flimsy grill tips over, dumping half your coals into the dirt. Yeah, that happened to me last summer. It is frustrating. Finding the right portable charcoal grill is a massive headache. You want something small enough to travel, but tough enough to hold real heat without falling apart. So I have put the top models to the test. Let me explain which ones are actually worth your money, saving you the hassle. 6. Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill. I have used Weber grills for years, and there is a certain comfort in that classic Kettle shape. It is the iconic backyard grill shrunk down to an 18-inch portable size. I mean, you get that familiar porcelain enameled bowl and lid, which is great because it actually holds heat pretty well for a smaller travel-sized unit. I have packed this thing for beach trips, and the tuck-and-carry lid lock is genuinely smart. It swings up to hold the lid in place securely, avoiding getting sand on your lid. It also secures the entire unit tightly for carrying. But, well, here's what matters when you actually start cooking on it. You get 240 square inches of cooking space, easily fitting enough burgers for a whole family. It works totally fine for direct high-heat grilling. However, the ash catcher is literally just a shallow aluminum pan sitting completely unattached at the bottom. If a slight breeze kicks up, ash blows absolutely everywhere, which is honestly annoying when you're trying to serve food. On top of that, setting up a proper two-zone fire is a struggle because the cooking grate only opens partially on one side, making it incredibly difficult to add more charcoal mid-cook without taking things entirely apart. The 3 aluminum legs also feel a bit flimsy and unstable when you're aggressively using a grill brush to clean up. The Jumbo Joe works fine for basic fast cooking. Number 5. Everdure Cube Portable Charcoal Grill. Looking at this thing, it is definitely a conversation starter. It looks more like a high-end lunchbox or cooler than a charcoal grill. I tested it at a local park, and the built-in storage system they designed is actually very clever. The top locks into place with side latches, holding a food-grade bamboo preparation board and a plastic storage tray right inside the unit. Having a cutting board seamlessly integrated into your grill is super convenient for slicing veggies right before they hit the fire. But let me be totally honest about the actual cooking experience. You only get 115 square inches of space, so you are cooking for 2 people maximum at any given time. And while the brand claims the handles stay entirely cool, the outer body itself definitely gets noticeably warm during an extended cookout. Another frustrating thing is the secure latch system. While it keeps everything tight during transport, the latches can feel aggressively stiff, literally pinching your fingers when you pop them open. Also, for a highly portable grill, it is surprisingly heavy for its compact footprint due to the dense materials used throughout its body. Despite those practical flaws, the Everdure Cube is undeniably stylish and unique. If you want a romantic picnic setup that looks aesthetically pleasing on a table, it fits perfectly. It is just not the high-volume workhorse you need for a larger group. 4. S&S GrillS Slow and Sear Travel Kettle. If you are serious about authentic barbecue flavors on the go, this completely changes the game. They basically built an 18-inch portable kettle entirely around their legendary internal accessory. The build quality here feels absolutely fantastic from the moment you unbox it. The metal on the bowl and lid is noticeably thicker than typical travel kettles, translating directly to much better heat retention. The patented charcoal basket tightly focuses the heat, creating a genuine 2-zone cooking environment for intense searing on one side and steady, indirect heat on the other. Let me explain why the vents matter so much here. You get a 5-vent ash removal system that makes sweeping debris effortless. But the real star is the 1-inch circular smoke hole at the bottom. This tiny detail gives you incredibly refined airflow control for long, low-temperature cooks. The 304 stainless steel Easy Spin cooking grate is another premium touch. Instead of physically lifting your food, you simply spin the grate to move your meat away from the hot coals. It also features a dedicated probe port to run a thermometer wire safely inside without crushing the cable. The S&S Travel Kettle is built strictly for the hardcore charcoal enthusiast. It gives you the full space of an 18-inch grill with the precision of a backyard smoker. If you want professional-level control packed into a travel package, this is an absolutely solid option. Kamado Joe Junior. Calling this portable is a bit of a stretch. It is a thick, heavy ceramic grill weighing nearly 70 pounds. But for car camping or an extended RV trip, the performance is so mind-blowing I absolutely had to include it on this list. Because it is built from thick ceramic, the heat retention is totally unmatched by steel grills. Once you lock in your temperature, it stays right there. I mean, it does not matter if it is freezing cold or windy outside. It will happily hold 250 degrees or crank past 700. I really love the satisfying cast iron top vent, which allows pinpoint accuracy. You get 150 square inches of cooking space on the thick stainless steel grate, plenty for thick ribeyes. The included heat deflector plate lets you effortlessly switch between direct fire grilling and slow indirect roasting. The spring-assisted hinge on the lid is a fantastic engineering choice. Ceramic lids are heavy, and without that hinge, there is a constant fear of slamming and shattering it. The build quality is spectacular throughout, right down to the heavy-duty cast-iron tabletop stand. The Kamado Joe Junior gives you a permanent, high-end backyard cooking experience you can technically throw in the back of a truck. It takes 2 people to lift it comfortably, but the flavor, moisture retention, and absolute stability make the effort completely worthwhile. 2. Masterbuilt Electric Portable Charcoal Grill. This is where modern technology officially meets old-school fire. You know, managing vents and airflow intimidates some people. Masterbuilt eliminated that entire learning curve by using an integrated electric fan and the steady temp dial. You just load the side charcoal mini hopper with standard briquettes, light a fire starter, and turn the dial anywhere from 250 to 550 degrees. The internal fan automatically kicks on, perfectly feeding oxygen to maintain that exact temperature. It feels like cooking on gas, but with unmistakable charcoal flavor. Let me explain the brilliant power situation. You can run the fan using the included power cord if you are near an outlet, or simply pop in 4 AA batteries. I used batteries on a weekend camping trip, and they easily lasted the advertised 6 hours. The 200 square inches of cooking space is also very generous. Transporting this specific unit is incredibly stress-free thanks to the quick collapse cart. The entire stand folds down completely flat in seconds, acting like a wheeled dolly so you can just roll it away. The lockable lid means you do not have to immediately dump hot ashes before packing up. The Masterbuilt is a genuine technological marvel for outdoor cooking. It totally removes the tedious guesswork from fire management while still delivering authentic wood-fired results. If you love the taste of charcoal but absolutely hate babysitting the vents, this will easily become your favorite piece of gear. Nomad Charcoal Grill and Smoker. At first glance, it looks exactly like a piece of tactical military gear or a heavy-duty aluminum briefcase. But the moment you open it up, you realize it is an absolute masterpiece of modern industrial design. The construction features an advanced multi-layer aluminum shell that keeps the outside temperature impressively low. You can have a raging fire inside, and the outside barely feels warm. You can safely set it on a nice wooden picnic table without any anxiety at all. When you open it flat, you can use both sides, giving you a massive 425 square inches of grilling space. If you want to smoke meats, just close the lid and use the precise sliding vent controls. The cast stainless steel grates are heavily domed, leaving gorgeous, thick sear marks. I absolutely love how the internal ash pans perfectly catch all the debris while promoting aggressive airflow. Everything about the Nomad feels incredibly intentional. The silicone handle is very comfortable, and the latches snap shut with a deeply satisfying mechanical clank. It is heavy, but carrying it feels perfectly balanced. The Nomad is undeniably expensive, but it is built to outlast you. It effortlessly combines top-tier smoking and grilling capabilities with an unmatched portable form factor, delivering perfect temperature control, stunning aesthetics, and rugged durability. It is simply the best portable charcoal grill available.